Hello everyone. I am artist Mutasami. Today I will teach how to draw apple and jar. Step number 1. Light sketch, basic outline. Step number 2. Start shading details. Step number 3. Build midtones. Step number 4. Increase background contrast. Step number 5. Refine that outline. Step number 6. Add highlights. If you have any requests for this videos, leave them in the comments. I might do some of them. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time, friends. Bye.